Hello kids, today we are learn number name, color name and shape name. So let's start. Purple color, brown color, red color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, dark green color, peace pink color, light green color, pink color, white color, black color, gray color. One, two, three, 4, 5, heart shape, triangle shape, circle, star shape, square shape. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Orange color, number 1. Red color, number 2. Light green color, number 3. Yellow color, number 4. Purple color, number 5. Brown color, heart shape, pink color, triangle shape, sky blue color, circle shape, peace pink color, star shape, star shape, dark green color, square shape. Square shape. Orange color. A. A for aeroplane. Red color. B. B for banana. Light green color. C. C for cat. Yellow color. D. D for dog. Purple color. E. E for egg. Brown color. F. F for fish. Pink color. G. G for grapes. Sky blue color. H. H for hand. Peace pink color. I. I for island. Dark green color. J. J for jack. Orange color. K. K for kangaroo. Red color. L. L for lion. Light green color. M. M for milk. Yellow color. N. N for nose. Purple color. O. O for octopus. Brown color P. P for panda. Pink color Q. Q for white. Sky blue color R. R for rabbit. Peach pink color S. S for sun. Dark green color T. T for tiger. Orange color U. U for unicorn. Red color V. P for fan. Light green color W. W for watermelon. Yellow color X. X for X-ray. Purple color Y. Y for yo-yo. Brown color Z. Z for zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heart shape, triangle shape, circle, star, square. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello friends, white color, gray color, pink color, light green color, orange color, red color, purple color, black color, yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, peach pink color. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heart shape, triangle shape, circle shape, star shape, square shape. Light green color A. E for alligator. Pink color B. B for balloon. Orange color C. C for cat. Red color D. D for doll. Dark green color E. E for elephant. Purple color 1. Yellow color 2. Black color 3. Peach pink color 4. Sky blue color 5. Red color heart shape. Heart shape. Dark green color triangle shape. Triangle shape. Pink color circle shape. Circle shape. Yellow color. Star shape. Star shape. Light green color. Square shape. Square shape. A, B, C, D, E. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shape. Heart shape. Triangle shape. Circle shape. Star shape. Square shape.